What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today we are continuing on part 3 of building the X-Wing. Quick recap, we put on these two parts, and these are here. I thought I got it all wrong, so I improvised, took it apart, and it was able to fit. Also, added this little landing gear. Looks pretty cool. Okay, let's continue. We left off right here. Okay, we need this piece right here, just like that. Okay, this, 3 of these little circles, and this. Okay, so this like that, and then put one down here. Now like this. A little tricky. Try to like line them up. Make sure they don't fall. There we go. Just like that. Three little 2x2s. Wait. I think I skipped. Yeah, Yep, I skipped the page. Oops. Okay. This piece and this piece right here. These two little pieces. So, first things first, put this right here, and then put another little piece right here. Okay. That's what I got so far. Here we go. These these 3 pieces. Okay, so like so. Put these 2 pieces right here. Okay. Now I need this little piece, this piece, and these 2 pieces right here. Okay, let's see. Looks like I put this piece in the middle. Put these 2 pieces right here. Then put this right here. And yeah, these 2 pieces. Oop, launch that. There we go. And right here. Okay, now I'm on this side. 1, 2, 3. Let's see what they got for me. 1, 2, 3. Look what they got for me. Just like that. Is this the right piece? Was this? Oh, this is kind of confusing for me. This piece. Okay. Okay, put it just like this. And put this little piece right here, right there. Looks like a green. I want to go pew pew. These. Shoot. Come on. No, don't follow me now, please. Please don't follow me. Oh. There we go. 4 of these pieces right here. So, 1 right here. I think I put them correctly. Then the other 2 right here. That right there. Oh, right there. Put this right here. There we go, just like that. It's a weird looking piece I got here. Got these, 2 of these, and 1 of this. So I put this little piece in here. I think I put it all the way in. Nope, only has a little limit. And put that like this. Bada boom, bada bing. This little piece. Insert that. Oh, I wish it rotated. It would pretty cool if it would have rotated. So this piece here, okay. These 2 pieces right here. Okay. Put this on top of these 2 pieces. And put that on top. Now we need this landing gear looking thing again. Put it on top of this. Just like that. It's gonna go upside down like this or something. So weird. Okay. This. This. And boop. Yep. These 3 little pieces make the little gun. The blaster thing. So, put it like that. Attach, no. This, attach this right here. Put it to that. Put this to that. Then connect it to this. And ta-da! 1 little blaster. Pew, pew. Oh, I was right. It does go upside down. So on this side, what does this connect to? Oh, at the bottom here. Come on. Please don't break. Go in there. Okay, there we go. 1 wing down. 3 more to go. Sort of be down on it. It's pretty cool. Put it right there. Okay. Now I gotta repeat the whole process again. A little bit different though. 1 of these. These. And these. Okay. I'm just gonna cut the video for you guys not have to watch me do this all over again. Okay? And then when I snap my fingers, it should be done. 3, 2, 1, boom. And there we go. Nice and done, sort of. Got the wing done. Back over there. Wait, did I skip something? Hold on. Hold the horses, hold on. I did miss something. I skipped the page where they attached the, thing. Why did I not see that? Oh my... How did I not see this? It was all the way back over here. Oh, I must have not seen the back side of it. So these pieces are actually useless. I mean, useful now. I didn't see it before. I am so freaking stupid. Can't believe I missed this, guys. So freaking embarrassing. Ta-da! There we go. Can't believe I missed that. So I got the wings done. It's all good. And I will continue building this in video in part 4, people. Bye.